Next, let's see the whiteboard. You can tap the lower left corner to change the background color. All the basic functions are displayed at the bottom menu bar. You can change the stroke thickness, brush type, and stroke color. D5C features 16 milliseconds ultra-low writing latency. As you can see, it feels like writing with pen and paper. The drag select tool allowing you to zoom in, zoom out the content, and move it around. What's more, you can also change its color and duplicate it as many times as you want. You can use the eraser to delete the content. The size of the eraser can be adjusted. There is also a drag select eraser for deleting a specific area. The clear all option allowing you to clean up all the contents in 1 second.